Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So we need to cover many things in this video, therefore I'll be very quick today. Yes, there was NFP report yesterday and we were hoping that market will be showing us some good moves, but unexpectedly we did not get the move because there was a forecast of 7,25,000 jobs, and surprisingly report came out with 8,50,000 jobs. So it has exceeded the forecast, but there was a problem with the unemployment rate. There was a forecast that unemployment rate will come down from 5.8% to 5.6%, but instead of coming down, unemployment rate rose to 5.9%. As a result, we did not get some good moves, rather we got a very confusing market yesterday. The things were very unclear to us, and even the dollar was going up sometime, it was coming down sometime. Okay, so it was kind of a very confusing market yesterday, only because we did not get a clear result. The result was a mixed one. Anyways, let's get over with this result, and let's focus on what should be our strategy for Monday. Okay. So this is the chart of Euro USD, 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know these levels pretty well. So these levels are still intact in the market, because though there was report, and as I've already said, there was not much movement yesterday. As a result, the levels are still intact. 1.1726, this level is the most crucial level in the market, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. On the other hand, you can see that we have got another two levels. The first level is 1.1970 on the upside as the resistance, and we have got 1.1845 on the downside as the support. Let me zoom out so that you can see clearly. After the FOMC meeting, when market fell sharply, this was the level market took support, and you can see that still market is respecting this level as the support. I have clearly mentioned in my previous report that this was just a temporary support, and right now we can see that market is trying to hold this position. Market is trying to make this as a permanent support here. Market is taking support here, and therefore buyers are there. Buyers are coming to this level and they are trying to provide support to the market. And as the time is passing by, this level is getting more prominent for the market. On the other hand, this level is there in the market, but right now 1.1970 is not an important level for us, because right now market it is trading far away from this level. But on the other hand, you can see that I have drawn a trend line here. In your charting platform also, you can draw this trend line in the 4 hours time frame. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. So you can see that this trend line is acting as a resistance to the market, and when market was trying to go up yesterday, you can see that during the last closing hours, market formed a green candle, but still there was some price rejection from above, which clearly tells us that yes, this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. This trend line will be acting as a dynamic resistance in the coming week as well. Therefore, in your charting platform, please draw this trend line so that you can analyze the chart better. And on the other hand, you please draw this line as well. Okay. As of now, these two levels are very important for the chart of Euro USD. Clear? Okay. Now let me take you to the weekly chart once. Yes, I'm a fan of the weekly chart multi-time frame analysis. Let me remove the drawings. Remove drawings. So in the weekly chart also, you can see that market is trying to hold this particular level, this level as the support. Okay. Therefore, you need to draw a line there, and you can see that this week market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern with price rejection from below, which clearly tells us that the temporary support level, okay, the temporary support level has become prominent for the market, and we can hope that in the coming week this level will provide some support to the market again. And if we look at the chart of dollar index, we can see that after the NFP report, dollar index has formed a red candle, but still if we consider the chart setup here, then the chart is still bullish, and there is no doubt about it. The chart is still bullish, and if dollar starts coming down, then 91.5 will be acting as a support for the market, and 93.35 will be still there in the up as a resistance for the market. So keep your eyes on the dollar index as well, but still the dollar index looks very bullish. Okay. Therefore, what should be a strategy for Monday? Okay, for Monday you can see that uh, market is still respecting this trend line as the resistance for the market. Okay, and on the other hand, we have this level as the support for the market, and as long as market is trading in this range, okay, so we cannot trade. Okay, we cannot trade. Therefore, what do you need to do? Okay, as we all know, to make money from the market, we need movement, we need volatility from the market. Therefore, okay, let the market open on Monday and just observe how the price is doing, how the price reacts. Okay, and if you see that market is crossing this level, okay, market is crossing this trend line, okay, do not buy right away. Let the market cross this trend line and just observe the price. If you see that, okay, market is going for some good moves here, okay, if you see market is going for some good moves here, you can try to go for a buy order. Okay, you can try to go for buy order, but if you want to go for a safer opportunity, then you just wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone. Right now you can see the stochastic RSI in the overbought zone. Let it come to the oversold zone. When it will be going up from here, then you just look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is still trading above this black trend line, then you can go for a buy order clear cut. Okay, if you find stochastic RSI trading above this black line and this support level, you can easily go for buy order. On the other hand, if you see market crossing this red line, sorry, this support level, then you can short the market. But keep in mind that do not short the market right away. You just need to confirm one thing. Okay, you just go to my website avilashhajarika.com. Okay, and under the Forex 101 section you will find this thing. Okay. You will find this Forex volatility calculator, and just under the Forex volatility calculator, just come down to the Euro USD. You can see that in the weekly chart, Euro USD has given a movement of 127 pips. In the daily chart, 46.8. In the 4 hours chart, 33.7. So if you are a day trader, then you know it pretty well that, okay, 33 pips movement is not much, because out of 33 pips you will only be getting 10 to 15 pips only. On the other hand, if you come down to the 1 hour chart, then there was a only movement of 6.5 pips, which is very less. So if market crosses any level, just come down to the Forex volatility calculator and just see how the movement is. If the market makes good movement, then you can go for buy order or sell order accordingly. But on the other hand, if you see that market is not going for any big moves, there is not much volatility in the market, then just avoid Euro USD. There are other currency pairs available to make money from the market. You should not invest your money, risk your money on a chart that does not look very promising. So just consult this Forex volatility calculator and take your decision. And if you want to avoid Euro USD for Monday, that's totally your call. Okay. So, and I'll be coming down on Monday again, and I'll be telling you what you need to do. But as of now, the chart of Euro USD does not look that much promising, because there is not much volatility. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.